Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has questioned the government as to who gave the order to the Assam Rifles to open fire at the protesters instead of controlling the violence at Pallel on September 8. Hitting out at the BJP government over the state cabinet's statement that it condemns the excesses of Assam Rifles at Pallel and that the center will be apprised of the same instead of booking guilty personnel of Assam Rifles. MPCC said that it is quite evident how weak the state government. Addressing media persons at a press meet held at the MPCC office on BT Road today, President of MPCC, K. Meghachandra, reiterated that the crisis, which broke out on May 3rd wouldn't have lasted for 4 months had the government intervened and worked honestly for the people. Questioning why the government has turned a blind eye to the financial problems facing the people because of the crisis, he alleged the government of busy making contracts for construction of houses and announcing ex gratia instead of taking steps to resolve the crisis and make arrangements for internally displaced people to return to their homes. Meghachandra also questioned the whereabouts of Kuldip Singh, and people have no longer any faith in state and central governments. He also termed the silence of the government despite rising deaths of people as extremely unfortunate.
Assam Rifle security forces singna karigi bicham parjada directly onjalaga nongmai kapi bano haifsima ahanbada hangini masigi thongdoksida sida state government na kari lokhalle haifsima hangini state government na thongdoksiga mari lenyana condemn tawi haiba lengwesima tabada khara nuaite condemn tawgi mahuta udakta FIR palaga Central Forces Assam Rifle da book tawdribno haibasi ai hangningi cabinet meeting da KANNAROI haibasi yamna cabinet ki decision today da tholaiba madugi warep to madu yamna measure hoide asigumba misam praja mi chamarong sohonba asi ana myam ma thoga central government da masigi pau khanghalani haiba cabinet ki warep haibasibu सरकार सी कया यामना सोन खरबगे हाइबसी थंगनिंगी कैबिनेट सी यामना पिकपा तौबो करिंता ngमजदबा मोंगदा वारेप खुलो अदगी लौलिबो वारेप तो यामना कंक्रीट बे वारेप लौदबा यूनिफाइड कमांड क्राइ चथ्रे सेंट्रल फोर्सेस ना बिचम प्रजा सोहलबा डायरेक्ट नोंगै कापबदी यूनिफाइड कमांड ना कजौरी एक्सप्लेनेशन कॉल कौग्रबरा यूनिफाइड कमांड ना असम राइफल की मथकता